Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a get ready with me creating the Ogee 3-step glow routine. I received a fun package from Ogee luxury organic makeup and I was so excited because I've been seeing this brand all over Instagram and have been curious about it. So I thought what we would do is just create a real fresh face radiant glow look today using all Ogee products. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this full face of clean beauty using Ogee luxury organic products, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're gonna have a little fun doing a full face of Ogee luxury organic makeup. I have been intrigued by this brand for quite some time. So I thought today we would just do the classic like Ogee radiant complexion look, keeping it super simple, but I love a radiant glow, as many of you know. So excited to play with the radiant contour complexion. I just love a healthy little glow. I also received their Elixir Vitamin C. This sounds quite amazing, as well as their award-winning. This is the Sculpted Complexion Stick. So I was excited about this. I love a good stick foundation. And so I thought we would just have a little fun playing with a full face of Ogee makeup. So generally I would use this as part of my skincare routine, but I also saw somebody using this like as a base before they used the complexion stick. So I thought we would do that. That's often a popular way to get a little radiant glow, is to use a face oil. And this is actually Vitamin C THDA 20% elixir. It is a powerful plant-based vitamin C concentrate that is going to target dark spots and improve your complexion, amplify radiance, and brighten your skin. This utilizes a 20% strength vitamin C. THDA is the shortened word of tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate. Hope I said that correctly, but it is a lot more potent when compared to the average 15% strength of common vitamin C. This is supposed to be non-irritating, oil soluble, and it's the superior form of vitamin C. So let me show you. It is a nice little liquidy elixir here. Ooh, I love the feel of this. So this is what it feels like, really like silky and luxurious. And I'm just going to take some of this and we're going to press it into the skin. And I have been told to seek out the THDA because this is the least irritating form of vitamin C. That's what I've heard, and I can have a little bit of fussy skin. So this actually feels quite lovely on the skin. And then I'm so excited to try the Sculpted Complexion Stick. And I'm going to give you a little swatch on top of that oil. Just kind of warms up the product. And I picked up the shade Linden, which is 1.75N. It's described as light beige with neutral undertones, and I think it works pretty darn well for my skin. So a couple ways you can use this is you can literally take this from the bullet and kind of stripe it on your skin. We'll do a little bit of both, but oftentimes you can kind of take a little stripe kind of in the midline of your face. And then I'm taking their lovely blender brush here. Yep, I've already used this, so I always like to try products before I talk about them. This is super soft. It is like a fantastic brush, and then I am going to buff this into the skin first, and then we can always add on with more. But again, I'm trying to do kind of a really nice, light, radiant look, very natural look today. Sculpted Complexion Stick is a perfecting tinted moisturizer. The nourishing, buildable formula delivers pure mineral pigments to instantly even complexion and balance skin tone, while a powerful blend of pracoxy seed oil and patchouli leaf extract improve elasticity and collagen production for long-term results. For best results, you can use multiple shades to mimic the natural tone variations of skin, or double as a contour bronzer with a deeper shade. Dab and swipe directly to prepped or bare skin. Seamlessly blend with your fingers or the blender brush. Apply additional layers for buildable coverage. And this is certified organic, cruelty-free, not tested on animals, gluten-free, all natural, GMO-free, and it is made in the USA. Okay, here's what this complexion stick looks like. Literally, it feels super moisturizing. I love the fact that this has mineral pigments in it. It really does feel very nourishing on the skin, and I do think it would be great to pick up another shade, like a lighter shade for concealer. And as far as coverage, it definitely is something that you can build up without it looking cakey. So what I'm liking so far is I'm definitely getting a little bit of a glow, but my skin is showing through. Like you can see my freckles and such. And now I'm actually going to use the precision brush, and I'm going to use this as concealer. Add a little bit of this as concealer over here. So, and then I'm going to take my finger, like the warmth of my finger here. Okay, brightened up underneath the eyes, and I did go ahead and put some mascara on. Ogee has not launched a mascara yet, so I thought I'd go ahead and put my eyeballs on for the sake of doing a full face of Ogee makeup. And now we're gonna have fun sculpting the face and getting that radiant glow. Okay, we've evened out the complexion, and next we're gonna use their 3-step glow routine, and I love it because they have these little sets here, and there was 3 different to choose from. I picked the radiant one, and this one is going to include like a pearl highlighter. It has the obsidian contour, and then it's got pink diamond blush. And then there's another set called the golden contour complexion. I thought that one looked gorgeous, as well as the crystal contour complexion. And to be honest, they all looked so pretty. I didn't know what to pick. So we're going to just start with the radiant one, and let me give you a swatch of the colors included. So this is the Sculpted Face Stick in Obsidian. Yep, I know it looks really dark, but it was so funny when I first got this. I was like, whoa, so dark, but I promise you it works. That is in Obsidian. And then we have like the blush stick, and this one is in pink diamond. These are all of the Sculpted face sticks, and they come in so many pretty colors. And then we have the highlighter, and this one is in peony shimmer. That's why I picked it up. I just thought this looked so darn pretty. Okay, we're gonna have fun painting my face. So I'm gonna try to be like a pro YouTuber where they do all the little contour paint my face and then blend it in. So we're going to start from the top of my ear over here, and I'm going to use the contour right about there. And do not worry, all of these sticks basically blend in like a dream. And I know this looks kind of dark, but I promise you it works. And then I'm going to put some underneath here. We're going to contour my nose just a little bit down the sides and at the bottom here. Then we're going to come in with the blush, and I'm just going to come paint a little strip right along here and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. And then we're going to come in with the peony highlighter here. I'm also going to add some of this on my eyes actually, so we're going to keep this like a really radiant glow here. Isn't this gorgeous? So in love with that. And I'm going to use a little bit of this on my eyes as well. We're going to use it all over today. So now I look a little scary. I'm going to take this beautiful blender brush and I'm just going to blend this all in, and you're going to see this blends out like a dream. And coming over here, I'm going to come at the bottom. And I know that looked dark, but you're going to see it's going to blend in so beautifully. I'm going to come in, bring a little bit into my gray hair as well here. Blend that out. It's almost hair day this week. Coming underneath the chin. I love to get a little shadow there. I'm going to pull that down just a little bit on my neck. Make sure to blend on the side of the nose. And I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to place a little bit of that contour on my lids. Give myself a little bit of depth here, and then we'll put a little bit of the highlighter on my brow bone. And I'm going to just add a little bit of that peony shimmer right up in my brow for a nice natural look here. Or you can pick up one of their tinted sculpted lip oils, and these are a blend of organic cold pressed jojoba oils and butters that are going to melt into your lips. They also have an infusion of peppermint essential oil that is going to naturally plump up your lips. So you guys know I love that. And this shade is in Rosalia, which is a dusty rose. I thought that would go well with the Radiant Contour collection here. And this is the shade Rosalia. Then this is it. This is basically the Ogee look. Beautiful, radiant, glowing skin, very natural, very fresh faced. I was so excited to give these products a try. I feel like my clean beauty lovers are going to love Ogee. Clearly these are products you can feel good about putting on your skin, and I was really excited to try. I love a good stick foundation, and this is just a really beautiful one that's going to give you kind of a nice dewy look. It's going to provide you with enough coverage, but it's still going to let your skin shine through. So for myself, this is sort of like my easy everyday makeup when I am not filming or reviewing products. I tend to like to keep my face a little bit more fresh faced, or this is my easy kind of weekend makeup, kind of smoothing out my complexion but having a nice little glow going on and just keeping it really nice and simple. I, of course, am always going to go out of the house with mascara because I don't feel like I have my eyeballs on without it. Beyond that, I am just loving this kind of quick and easy radiant glow that I am getting. And since I have played with these products, what I will tell you as far as the wear, it is going to give you a nice natural glow all day long. I felt like it stayed on my face. I would say if you are somebody who has more oily skin, and even if you want to take down the glow just a bit, I would recommend powdering down, and then it is going to set the makeup and stay all day long. But if you're somebody who loves that radiant glow, even maybe edging into slightly dewy, then you are absolutely going to love these products. So just wanted to get on, do a quick and easy look today using Ogee products, and I hope everybody's having a good week, and I will be back with another video soon.